Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ethereum Layer 2 tokens, follow these step-by-step instructions to invest in scaling solutions built on the Ethereum network. Step 1. Research different Layer 2 projects and their native tokens, such as Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Loopring, and Immutable X. Understand each project's use case. Step 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that lists your desired Layer 2 tokens. Major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin support popular Layer 2 tokens. Step 3. Create an account on your chosen exchange and complete the verification process. Fund your account with fiat currency or transfer existing cryptocurrency. Step 4. Search for your chosen Layer 2 token using its ticker symbol. Review the token's price chart, market cap, trading volume, and recent news. Step 5. Navigate to the trading section and select the appropriate trading pair for your Layer 2 token, such as token/USDT or token/ETH. Step 6. Choose your order type. Market order for immediate purchase or limit order to buy at a specific price. Enter the amount you want to invest. Step 7. Execute the trade and verify your Layer 2 tokens appear in your exchange wallet. Consider bridging tokens to their native Layer 2 network for lower fees on future transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.